Are you struggling with real-time inventory updates in e-commerce? Facing delays in invoicing and manual order processing errors in logistics? Dealing with complex claims processing and eligibility verification in healthcare? Encountering delays in onboarding of trading partners and insufficient order management in manufacturing? Struggling with black box development in your EDI systems, where you see the input and output but have no visibility into the process? Imagine if these problems could be solved effortlessly. Introducing Electronic Data Interchange, or EDI. EDI has been around since the 1960s, facilitating message exchange between multiple computer systems. Electronic Data Interchange is the computer-to-computer exchange of business documents in a standard encrypted format between business partners. EDI is capable of handling large transactions and has implicit security features, which are vital to B2B transactions. Sectors benefiting the most from EDI include e-commerce, manufacturing, healthcare, and logistics. In e-commerce, EDI provides real-time inventory updates, faster order processing, and reduces errors in order fulfillment. For manufacturers, EDI enhances visibility into production planning, real-time data on inventory levels, and supplier management. In healthcare, EDI automates claims processing, eligibility verification, and payment cycles, minimizing errors and speeding up reimbursement. In logistics, EDI automation simplifies and accelerates various processes, such as order processing, invoicing, and shipment notifications. When it comes to implementing EDI solutions, Excellence Technologies is your trusted partner. At Excellence Technologies, we provide the best EDI solutions tailored to your business needs. We offer integrated end-to-end solutions including development, testing, and deployment. We provide 24/7 operation support. Our expertise includes programming, help desk management, database administration, automation, generative AI, and cloud and API integration. We offer a high visibility process that eliminates black box development, ensuring transparency and accountability throughout every stage of your project. Transform your business operations with Excellence Technologies. Contact us today to find out how EDI can revolutionize your business.